Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the first law of thermodynamics. What is the first law of thermodynamics? First law of thermodynamics state that energy can never be created nor destroyed, although it can be converted from one form into another form. Here we take the container that is constant of the gas. When we apply heat and heat Q is added into the system, due to this gas is expand. When the gas is expand, if the initial state internal energy of the gas, that is the internal energy, that is the U1. If the gas expand after the heat Q is added into the system, due to this internal energy increase and internal energy become U2. When internal energy increase due to this gas pressure, the piston of the container is moved upward, which means that the gas is doing work on this piston. That work is represented by W. Due to this work is piston is moved upward. So what here we write, when heat Q is supplied or added to the system, when heat Q is applied added to the system, internal energy is changed from U1 to U2. Then internal energy change from U1 to U2, and work done W by the system. So here we write the equation. When heat Q is added into the system, then the internal energy is changed. This internal energy is represented by delta U. Internal energy is changed plus work is done by the system. This is the first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamic equation, that is the Q is equal to delta U plus W. This equation gives us the 3 points, that internal energy has a state variable. Second point is law of conservation of energy. We state that energy cannot be created nor destroyed, but it can be changed from one form to another form. State variable means it does not depend upon the path, it is only depend upon the initial and final state of the system. Third point that gives is the heat energy in transit. Energy in transit, that is flow from high temperature to low temperature of a system. Now we discuss the sign conventions. Sign convention is that heat Q is positive when added to system. Heat Q is negative when it leave the system, or work is positive when work is positive by the system, work is negative on the system. Internal energy decrease when we decrease temperature. Internal energy is increased. So when we increase the temperature,